Can you use a blender as a food processor? Both blenders and food processors are a fantastic help in the kitchen, each of them serving a totally different purpose. While some functions can be done in both, they really are two different appliances. Let me explain it to you. Firstly, what is a food processor? A food processor is a handy kitchen appliance that will make food preparation a breeze. A food processor can chop, shred, knead, mix, puree, dice and slice with just the touch of a button, saving you so much time in the kitchen. This versatile appliance really is a home cook's best friend. Whether you're preparing veggies for a stir fry, a delicious dip, or making a batch of hamburger patties, using a food processor makes it so easy. A food processor also comes with a range of attachments, each tailor-made to specific tasks. The workhorse is the multi-purpose blade, perfect for chopping and pureeing. Then there are shredding and slicing discs in variable sizes. Some even come with dicing discs, whipping blades, and even a dough blade for baking. In short, a food processor makes a perfect kitchen hand. Now, what is a blender? In its simplest form, a blender is an appliance with a jug that has sharp blades that break down solid ingredients and liquids into a smooth texture. A blender is a very versatile appliance and can handle a lot of tasks like smoothies and shakes, soups and sauces, mayonnaises and dressings, pureeing fresh and cooked fruits and vegetables for baby food, desserts like pancake and crepe batters, and let's not forget cocktails and mocktails. So, is a blender the same as a food processor? No, a blender has a few more limitations than a food processor. See the description below for more information on these products or to shop the KitchenAid range.